Hello and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever tried making sweet potato fries in the oven and they turned out soggy? Well, after some trial and error, I found one way you can make them crispy. Stay tuned.